Guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to make an area chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, first and open Google Sheets and create new project or open old project. Alright, category amount. Click on car and press shift and click on this and select all category and amount. Alright, and click on insert and search chart and click on chart. Alright, and chart type. Click on this and scroll down and click on area chart. Create area chart and amount. Click on double click or click on this, customize, and write hello price. Alright, setup. Stacking non-standard or 100%. Click on none. Data range A2 and B7. Alright. And series. Alright. Customize chart title, chart subtitle, and write by me. Enter. And by me. And title text color auto and set up red and bold. Alright. Series, click on line color auto blue and this line dash type, point shape and square, right? Point size 7 pixels, area opacity and 100, error, data labels, trend line. Alright, legend and position auto, right and none. Okay, horizontal axis bold, text color orange, vertical axis bold, text color Tiffany, grand lines and ticks, major text. Alright, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.